Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Today, we're taking a quick look at Morgan Stanley, a global financial services firm. Their website, found at www.morganstanley.com, serves as a comprehensive hub for information about their diverse offerings and global presence. Visiting the site, you'll discover a wealth of resources related to investment banking, wealth management, investment management, and sales and trading. Whether you're an individual investor exploring wealth management strategies, a corporation seeking assistance with mergers and acquisitions, or an institution looking for sophisticated investment solutions, the Morgan Stanley website offers a detailed overview of their services. Navigation is designed to be user-friendly, allowing visitors to easily delve into specific areas of interest. The site features insights from Morgan Stanley experts, research publications, market analysis, and up-to-date financial news. You can also find information on the firm's history, leadership team, commitment to sustainability, and career opportunities. For those interested in a career in finance, the website provides a comprehensive overview of their programs and the diverse paths available within the organization. The site also emphasizes Morgan Stanley's global reach, highlighting its presence in key financial centers around the world. Furthermore, you'll find resources dedicated to understanding complex financial concepts and market trends, empowering investors to make informed decisions. Beyond the core services, Morgan Stanley's online presence showcases their dedication to client relationships, technological innovation, and responsible investing. The website is a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning more about this leading financial institution and its role in the global economy. So, be sure to check out www.morganstanley.com for a comprehensive overview of Morgan Stanley's services, expertise, and global impact. Remember to explore the different sections to discover the full range of information available. It's a great starting point for anyone interested in the world of finance and the services offered by a prominent global player like Morgan Stanley.